Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss 50 data communication and the networking exit exam model questions. These questions are important for you how to prepare for exit exam and class exam like mid and final exam. Let us see each question one by one. The first question says in which of the following computer network is built on the top of another network? A. Overlay network. B. Prime network. C. Prior network. D. Chief network. The correct answer is A. Overlay network. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of Bluetooth? A. Wide area network. B. Virtual private network. C. Local area network. D. Personal area network. What type of network in Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a personal area network that used for connecting personal computers to share data between until 10 meters away from each other. So that's a help for data transferring or receive and send data. Question number 3. Which device regenerate and amplify signals in a network? A. Hub. B. Switch. C. Repeater. D. Bridge. The correct answer is C. Repeater that used to regenerate and amplify signals in a network. Question number 4. What are nodes in computer network? A. The computer that routes the data. B. The computer that terminates the data. C. The computer that originates the data. D. All are correct about nodes. D. All are the correct definition for nodes. Nodes in a computer network is the device that are involved for all functionality. That may be the router that routes the path of the packets or the data. It may be the computer that terminates or receive data, and the computer that send the data. All are types of nodes in a computer. Question number 5. What does the term bandwidth? A. Physical distance data travels. B. The maximum data rate of transmission medium. C. The type of data being transmitted. D. The number of connected devices. Bandwidth refers the maximum data rate of the transmission between the device on the medium. So the correct answer is B. Question number 6. Which of the following specifies the maximum number of nodes in a network? A. IP address. B. MAC address. C. Subnet mask. D. Gateway. Subnet mask is used to specify the maximum number of nodes involved on the network. Question number 7. In digital communication, what does modulation means? The term modulation means A. Coding data. B. Changing the carrier wave to transmit information. C. Compressing the data. D. Encrypting the data. Modulation means changing the carrier wave to transmit information. So the correct answer is B. Question number 8. Which of the following device forward packet between network by processing the routing information include the packet? A. Firewall. B. Bridge. C. Hub. D. Router. The device that forward packets between the network by processing or routing the correct path, including the packet, is the router. The correct answer is D. Question number 9. Which network topology requires central controller or hub? A. Ring. B. Bus. C. Star. D. Mesh. Ring topology, that is form a ring form. Each device are connected with each other. So each device is autonomous. They did not need central hubs or controller or server. It does not need. So A is false. B. There is a central bus that connects each computer. But there is no controller. So B also false. C. Mesh star topology. In the star topology, there are nodes. Those nodes are connected to the central hub. Each node connects to the central hub. So the central hub coordinates each node and control. The correct answer is C. Star. In mesh topology, there is no central hub. In mesh topology, there is no central hub. Another is each are connected directly with each other. So, the mesh, there is no central hub. There is no requiring central hub during designing of the topology. So, the correct answer is star topology. Question number 10. What is the primary function of a firewall? A. To maintain bandwidth. B. To protect network from unauthorized access. C. To connect different networks. C. To store data. The primary function of firewall is to protect network from unauthorized access. It used as a bridge or a barrier. It's a barrier from the unauthorized accessing of the networks. If there is a network, then unauthorized access, there is a firewall that is used to protect. So the correct answer is B, to protect network from unauthorized access. Question number 11. What device is used to connect different networks? The device used to connect different network. A. Hub. B. Switch. C. Router. D. Repeater. A router that used to connect different networks. Question number 12. Which of the following is disadvantage of mesh topology? A. High redundancy. B. Complex installation. C. Easy to troubleshoot. D. Robustness. The only disadvantage in mesh topology is the complexity. There is each devices are in mesh topology should be connected to each other. So in designing in the mesh topology, there is complexity. If there is a size increase, so the complexity also increase. In mesh topology, disadvantage, the complex installation is the one that is difficult during installation. Question number 11. In which type of the OSI model does the TCP protocol operates? A. In application layer. B. In presentation layer. C. Transport layer. D. Network layer. In the OSI model, the TCP protocol operates in the transport layer. Question number 15. Which of the following is a connectionless protocol? From the list of protocols, which one is connectionless protocol? TCP, UDP, ARP, DIP. From the list, connectionless protocol, UDP is the one that is connectionless protocol. That's all about today's question. Please practice every day in order to confident for your exam. Thank you. If you are new for my channel, please subscribe and share for your friends. Bye bye.